your seatbelt is fastened, it is upright, your shades fully open, and your tray table stowed. Bilang paganda sa ating paglapag, mayroon po lamang na ituwidan sa dala ng inyong upuan. Gabi na mesa, taas ang tabi na bitana at tigabit ang sinturo pangkaligtasan. Maraming salamat po. We have just landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Samgo is delighted to welcome you to Manila. Mga kinoong kinang at pinibini kalalapag po lamang natin sa pati parang pandaigdig ng Ninoy Aquino. Maligayang pagdating. We are now taxiing towards Domestic Terminal 4 for proper parking and your safe disembarkation. Tayo po ay patungo na ng Domestic Terminal 4 para sa inyong maayos at ligtas na pagbaba. And on behalf of your flight deck read by Captain Cruz and First Officer Budatoki, together with your in-flight cabin crew Maki, my name is Lice, thanking you for making Sungo as your airline of choice. It was indeed a pleasure having you all on board, and we hope to see you in one of your future flights with us. May you enjoy staying here in Manila or wherever onward destination may be. But if Manila is your final stop, then ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. Muli po sa ngalan ng pangkat na bumubuo ng Lipanito Malugod po kami nagpapasalamat sa patuloy na pagtangkilik at pagsakay sa ZEBCO. Magandang hapon po.
Your safety is of primary importance to us, so please remain seated with your seat belts fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop. Please wait for the fasten seatbelt sign to be switched off before you get your bags or use the lavatory. Exercise caution when opening the overhead bins, as the items inside might have been dislodged or shifted during aircraft movement. Before deplaning, please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintayin matanggal ang babalang pagkabit ng sinturong pangkaligtasan bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan.
Ladies and gentlemen, due to the aircraft weight and balance restrictions, guests are requested to deplane by rows. As soon as the passenger door has been opened, we shall be deplaning 2 rows at a time starting from the rear. On the ground, we advise our guests to stay clear of the wings, propellers, and the engines. For guests traveling with infants, children, elderly guests, and guests needing special assistance, you are advised to disembarkast for further assistance. And for guests with onward domestic or international connecting flights on Cebu Pacific, you are advised to proceed immediately to the transfer desk located at the arrival hall for assistance, or kindly approach any of our ground personnel upon disembarkation. Thank you.
In the interest of safety, guests are advised to walk through designated areas at the ramp as directed by the ground personnel. You are prohibited to walk under the aircraft wings, and please refrain from taking pictures at the ramp due to the busy ground servicing activities. Thank you.
Once again, as a safety precaution, please wait for the fasten seatbelt signs to be switched off before standing up to get your bags. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintayin matagal na mabalang pagkabit ng sinturo pagkaligtasan bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan.